In today's video, I'll show you how to activate Windows 10 using PowerShell in a simple and official way. This method uses a genuine product key and is safe for beginners. First, make sure you have a valid 25-character Windows product key. You may find it on a sticker on your computer, in an email from the seller, or in your Microsoft account. Now, let's start. Right-click on the Start button and choose Windows PowerShell with Admin Access. When the permission window appears, click Yes. This step is important because the commands will not work without administrator permission. Once PowerShell is open, type the following command. Replace the X letters with your own product key. slmgr.vbs/ipk xxxx-xxx-xxx-xxx. Press Enter. After a few seconds, you should see a message confirming that the product key was installed successfully. Next, to activate Windows Online, type this command and press Enter. slmgr.vbs/ato. This will connect your computer to Microsoft's activation servers. If your key is valid and your internet connection is working, Windows will activate automatically. To check the activation status, open Settings, go to Update and Security, then click Activation. You should see that Windows is activated. Always remember, unofficial activation methods can be unsafe and may cause security issues. Using a genuine product key is the best and most reliable option. And that's how you activate Windows 10 using PowerShell. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful Windows tutorials.